What's up, guys? Alright, so today I personally wanted to show you guys how I keep my car, my 2013 Audi A5, black. So it's a kind of like a pro black. It does have some flakes in it, so it is pretty shiny. And if you own a black car, you know how hard it is to keep a car that's black looking black. So usually what happens is pollen, dust, if it rains, you see water spots or mud and stuff like that will start to accumulate on your car. And a lot of people do ask me if I do have it ceramic coated or if there's a PPF on it, protective film, that's all over the car. And I don't have any of that stuff on my car. And basically what I use to keep it clean like this, since I don't have any of those things on my car, is detail sprays. So I've used many different companies. I've tried different ones just because my car is black. And if you know when you have a black car, you have to find the specific one that you like and you stick with it. Just because like a lot of detail sprays will leave streaks and it just doesn't look good after it dries up, and you have to kind of buff it out and try to get it out of there, and it shows up in the sun. So what I've been using to keep this thing super clean is this. So it's by LITHIUM Auto Care and it's called Color Crush. It's an SiO2 instant detailer. So that's what I've been using, and that's what's been keeping my car super clean. I've used it on my car. I've stopped using every other detailer I've ever used and started using this because it keeps my car clean. I haven't washed my car in maybe 2 weeks and it looks like this. And I live in Houston where pollen, dust, road work, rain is an everyday thing when I go to work, and I have not washed it once. So I'm sold on this product, and I want to go ahead and show you guys what the car looks like so you guys can go ahead and find something that works for you, because I've seen other products and they're a bunch of gimmicks and stuff like that. They say they have all these things in it, and this thing's just straight to the point. SiO2 instant detailer. It's a detailer and it keeps your car clean for much longer. You don't have to wash it as much, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna stop talking. So now let me show you, since this has been 2 weeks after I used this product, let me show you guys what it looked like the day of, right after I sprayed this. Alright guys, so I went ahead and used the detail spray all over, pretty much getting all the water spots or anything like that off the car. And as you can see, it looks pretty damn good. So it has no water spots or nothing like that, and the gloss is pretty good on it. So as you can see, it's a mirror finish. I like to keep my car really clean, so this is what I'm telling you. I use this product on my car because I'm very picky on what I use on my car. So if I'm telling you I use this, like, trust me, like, I use it for a reason. And don't think it's just for black cars. You can work on white cars, silver cars, red cars. If you want your car to show more gloss, use this product. I'm just showing you on my car, and it helps a lot because my car is black. So if I'm using it on my black car that's super sensitive to materials, and then you can see every little thing on it, I'm letting you know it works, because I've used other products. I've used all these other products on my car to make this thing look as shiny as possible without using ceramic coating or anything like that. And guys, also with the glossiness and all that, also comes to added protection of dust falling off, water and all that, pretty much falling off the car. Since it is SiO2 infused, it looks really good, and it protects my car. I have to wash it less, which I do like washing my car, but not when it comes to summer heat. I'm not about that. So the less washing I have to do during the summer or when the heat is out, the better, because when you wash your car in the hot sun, it tends to not look as good because you have to do extra work to get all those water spots on it. If you know, you know. If you have a black car, you know. So guys, again, this is the product I use, Color Crush by LITHIUM Auto Care. It does wonders to my car. Test it out. I am going to put a link down below that'll have my code GATZILLA. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can use it, get a discount on it as well. This thing's not that expensive. It's like less than 20 bucks, and with my code it'll come out to like 15 bucks. So go ahead and use it. Until next time guys, peace.